Oh, we're stripping her off. Stripping her off the shed, finally. Finally getting to it. Alrighty guys, this is the last one. Last one. Goodbye. Good morning guys, day 2. Another little roof project. And coming along good. I keep getting bees flying in from the forest over there, the woods. Anyway, this ain't about the perfect roofing job. I guarantee you that. This is just about getting her done. Getting her done. Oh, the pile's bigger than it looks. We got her done. Woohoo. Hey guys, back out on this field today. And gonna hit it up. Very nice field. Been here before many times. My first signal, I do believe that's the end of a skeleton key. Pretty cool. We'll see if we can find the rest of it. Catch you on the next one, guys. Well, I think I already filled the hole in, guys, but we got ourselves an old Brett hairpin. Pretty sure that's what that is. If I remember right, my mom used to wear those. Yeah, pretty cool. Still works. Alright guys, on to the next. Hey guys. Stumbled upon this one. I thought I'd do it live for you. Still giving me a great signal. In the clump. In the clump. What do I got here? Power of edit. My pad that I kneel on. I'm telling you guys. Bzz, bzz. What do we got? Oh, it's a buckle. Screaming signal. Look at the green on that. Oh, I love it. It's a popular style. So, on to the next one, guys. Cheers. Well, out of that there hole, guys, we just dug this sucker. I do believe that's a valve stem. Off of a Model T. Or some type of old Ford. Never seen a silver one dug. Pretty cool. Must be relic day. Catch you on the next, guys. You see that, guys? Something in the scoop there. Haven't touched it yet. Let's take it out together. Looks to be a penny. It's gonna be my guess. Oh yeah. I'm thinking that's an Indian. Thinking. Not sure yet. Well, there it is, guys. Looks to be a 1919 wheat penny. Yes, sir. Alrighty. On to the next, guys. Oh, you see that, guys? Right there it sits. This was the most iffy signal. I mean iffy. As in, I almost didn't dig it. Almost didn't dig it. Hey, we got ourselves an Indian, I think. Yeah, I said that last time, right? I said that last time. This time it's definitely an Indian. Don't know how well you can see it. Hopefully we'll get a date off of this. Pretty toasted side on this side. Really toasted. Cheers for now. Come on, focus. There you go. Cheers, guys. It's 25, guys. Oftentimes a 25 is a can. So we're not getting our hopes up here. Decent signal though. Most cans are, right? Hey, a big shout out to it's called Too Many Hobbies, Brett Aston. Check that channel out. He found a coin that he cannot identify, and I'm sure he would appreciate your help. It's a hammered copper, and so that's something. If you get a chance, this will be my last hole, I think, guys. That roofing took it out of me, I'll tell you what. Man, was this shallow or what? Didn't see it. Was that shallow? I was gonna say, please don't tell me it's a piece of lead. What is that? Oh, check it out. Looks like a little eagle. Alright, let me let this dry out, guys. It's a cool find though. Gonna let it kind of dry out here. Then I'm gonna clean it up and I'll show you the roundup. Cheers. Time for the tailgate wrap up, guys. Okay, guys. So we got the knee buckle. Tongue is coming off. But I still love finding buckles. It's a nice one. We'll take it. Then I found this. I think this might have been my first find. The end of a skeleton key. Just the end of it. That's crazy. Then I found the barrette. And I found the 1919 wheat cent. Yeah, that's good to see. I'm glad to be finding coins from that era. But then I found the Indian head. I don't know if you can make that out, but that's 1887, which would be the oldest coin I found in this part of the field. The back is done. It's got that crust of doom on it. Then I found this eagle. Whatever it is, it's gotta be kind of old. I'm gonna have to go in there and Google that, and maybe I'll have a description for you. So that was it, guys. I didn't take much junk at all today. Good luck and happy hunting, guys.
Well, we hope you had a good time. Felt the love in the room. And I surely hope now, darling, we'll get a chance to come back real soon. Oh, somebody tell me, did you have a good time?